Got the balloons and it's very windy. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. It's my son Josiah's 7th birthday, and so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little bit of the photo shoot and preparation. Okay, so first thing on the list is his haircut. His stepdad is the one who usually cuts his hair, which is awesome, and he always does a good job. And of course, you know, Jamaicans always do them look styling and everything. Okay, guys, so I'm going into Party City. I'm going to get some balloons for him. Definitely, I'm gonna get a number 7. So, guys, come with me. Of course, there's lots and lots and lots of balloons in here to choose from, all different size, all different colors, but I already have something in mind. I have an idea in mind because he's doing like a brown and white and black, and then I just found these perfect balloons, and I'm just like, yep, these are the ones. And then I was like, okay, now it's time for me to pick one of these helium balloon colors. So I went with black because as I said, black is a part of his outfit. And then I got the number 7 for him. I got green 7 because his cake will be in green. Um, I also got some candies here at Party City because pretty much Party City is the place to go if you're looking for stuff for parties, right? So anything you want to put in your loot bags, whether candies, toys, stuffies. I saw these really nice stuffy Skittles and Sour Patch pillows. I thought those were like really cute. Okay, so our balloons are ready. I got the number 7, and I did get him like a game balloon as well, because he's into games. Okay, guys, got the balloons, and it's very windy, so let's try to get them in the car before. Oh my God! Ah! I don't want to lose them. I have a um, light here that I'm going to be setting up. Piece here. Hi, blessing. Um, okay. Oh, okay. A piece I'm gonna put over it here. That my light is set up. Okay. This down. It's gonna be our background. Okay, guys. So this is what my background is looking like so far, and I'm gonna put the balloons there. I don't want to pull it down. Okay. Mhm. Okay, let me turn your 7 around. It's facing the other way. Okay, good. Give me a pause, Joe. Why so serious? Be a smile. That's how people act? Okay. Blessing, can you say mama? Yeah. Are you smiling for the camera, Blessing? Okay, so Jojo is gonna make his party bags now. Right, so okay, good. Now you can see what's there. Good. All right.
Oh, good.
Oh, they only have a few lollipops in there. Okay. All right. So you have boys' bags over there, girl bag over there. So start like, look, open this one. You can make a special bag for yourself. How about this bag here is yours? So you whatever you want, you put in there. Okay.
Okay.
And then start making other bags. They're like wristbands. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Okay, the bags are done, guys. I'll show you what's in one of the girl bag. You have like peaches, peaches straw, um, peaches glasses, peaches wristband, um, peaches sticker,
Paper peach.
yeah, that one lollipop, um, chocolate, and candy. Okay, so like these are like chocolate, but money chocolate. Pretty cool.